Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you have to do actually that I have found to be the most effective way to add tokens is only swapping in a small amount of it because it won't really show up into your address unless it is sent and it's going to be active. So if you try to add it in the managed token list right here like a CA that you have found, it's not going to be available. But you can actually just go ahead and swap tokens right here in your own phantom swap. So you place the CA and then you just swap a really small amount basically for such token right here, and then you'll get the token in your address right here or in your wallet basically. And that's the most effective way you can actually do so. So even I had problems with this in USDC, but you can actually just receive USDC with your native actual address right here, so you can scan this if you want to, and then it will receive a certain ad a certain token that can be used with just one Solana address. So there you go guys, that is my way on how I add tokens on my Phantom wallet manually, and I just swap out a small amount that I can do so right here into my Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.